This video will take you through setting up Mobysip extension on your child's account in your Chromebook computer. Mobysip has to be installed as an extension from the Chrome Web Store and not as an app from the Google Play Store. Before you begin, sign up for a Mobysip account from the parent app on your device or the Mobysip website. The very first account used to log in on a Chromebook is designated as the owner account, which has special privileges. You may want to log in using your Gmail account for the first time on a new Chromebook to ensure that you retain the owner privileges. To prevent workarounds, there are a couple of things you need to set up while logged in as the owner. Open Chrome and Settings. Under People, enable Screen Lock. Click on Manage Other Accounts and disable Guest Mode. Add the Google accounts you wish to allow on the Chromebook, for instance, your son or daughter's Gmail account. Log out of the owner account. For Chromebook parental control setup, log in using the Google account that has to be monitored. Visit Chrome Web Store, search for Mobysip, and click on Add Extension. Once added, log in with your Mobysip account credentials and connect the Mobysip child user to the account. Let the registration process complete. The device is now successfully set up. You will now need to install Mobysip certificate for internet to be accessible. When you attempt to browse through the Chrome browser, it will open up a page with instructions to install a certificate. Download the Mobysip certificate from the link included in Step 1. Once the download is complete, visit Chrome Certificates page from the link in Step 2, go to Authorities tab and import the downloaded certificate. Then open the certificate by accepting all the trust settings. The next step is to ensure Mobysip filter is enabled when browsing in incognito mode. Visit Chrome://extensions in the Chrome browser and choose the Allow an Incognito option to enable Mobysip filtering. The final step is to prevent your child from removing the Mobysip extension through the Extensions page. Open the Extensions icon in the address bar, click on Mobysip, and check the Block Extensions page option. The device is now secured by Mobysip and is ready to use. You can manage and customize your child user settings from your Mobysip account either on the Mobysip app on your device or by logging into mobysip.com. As always, our support team is on standby to assist you with the setup, or if you have any other questions. Please reach out to us by sending an email or setting up a call on mobysip.com/support. Thank you for choosing Mobysip.